Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review and wear test for you this Rose Ink Tinted Serum. This is the Skin Enhance Luminous Tinted Serum. I got mine in the shade 030. I just placed an order with space NK, and together with that I'm also going to share with you and also try on my face a few more Rose Ink products. So this brand is new to me. I'm very excited to get to know it because many people love it, and I also love the fact that it's a clean brand. If you're interested to learn more about this and see how those products perform on my skin, I'm in the middle 40 and I do have oily combination, then just keep on watching. I received today my package, which has come in this bag, and here I have the foundation slash tinted moisturizer by the Rose Ink Skin Enhance Luminous Tinted Serum 30 ml, and I got mine in the shade 030. I actually, for the shade match, I consulted with two of my friends from the YouTube and Instagram. Tracy from Little Makeup Channel, she's now more active on Instagram and she has purchased recently this one. And I also have seen Photofocus Armstrong, my friend from the UK, she got this, so I consulted with her on the shade because we have similar skin shade, and hence I ended up purchasing the 030, but I was told that I can also get lighter or upper because the shades are forgiving. I will put here on the screen how many shades are available. It's not that much, and this retails for 36 British pound at the UK. It's the only place where we can purchase Rose Ink in Europe, as far as I know. I got this set that was on sale. So this contains a blush, highlight and a lipstick. So what's the name for this? The Radiant Color Edit by Rose Ink. So we have a Blush Divine Satin Lip Color and a Solar Radiance Hydrating Highlighter. So I'm very excited to try that one. So yeah, I'm going to start with the foundation. I will show you a close-up with the swatch. I don't know how to apply or what with to apply this. I will try the foundation brush by BK Beauty. It definitely has a very light coverage. You can tell on the forehead that I get some coverage, but on my cheeks not so much, and it does give a luminosity to the skin. So definitely we need more if we want to get some decent coverage. For this product I'm not going to do a comparison with another product. It will not be a 2 days wear test because I don't have anything similar in my collection, but I will update you by the end of the video, or I will put on the description box how I feel after I have been using this for more than 1 day. I definitely look more put together. It's a coverage that I enjoy for the day-to-day. I do not mind that it's not full coverage. I'm not a full coverage kind of a girl. I prefer to have like light to medium, or to show my skin, to not look that I'm wearing a mask. So I'm loving the way it looks like. I love the natural radiant look. Before we go further, I'm going to apply a concealer. I don't know, I wanted to pull another one. Okay, I'm going to use a concealer. I will list the products in my description box. This is by e.l.f. I will also add concealer around my mouth, my nose, and cover the darker area because I'm still shaving my mustache to get it done with IPL, so I don't want that to show, even though I just freshly shaved. You know what it looks like when you are shaving. I don't like this. I usually wax it, but for the sake of getting permanently rid of my mustache hair, I am disposed to suffer. So yeah, I do apologize if you see my upper lip area looking more dark. Alright, you little guy, you have impressed me. It's definitely a product that it will go for light days, and also it's good to use it day by day. Maybe I will give you a bit of a details what is written on the packaging. So this is a hydrating serum foundation that delivers light coverage while helping to refresh skin after exposure to pollution. Alright, so we have good ingredients. I remember that Rose Inc. it's a clean brand, so this is another plus for me. Now let's see what is it inside of this box. I also recorded a short Instagram reel / TikTok content, which will be on my channel soon. So this is the beautiful packaging. It's matching one of my nails. Those are the new shades from the Madame Glam nail polish collection. I got sent 4 of them, and those are, so on my thumb and on my pinky I have the same nail polish, and on the other 3 I have the rest of the nail polishes. Alright, so everything came in this beautiful black box with golden writing, and you have here written Madame Glam New York. Everything you love at your fingertips. So we have the shade Oracle, which I am wearing on my pinky and on my thumb, and this is brown. It's a very gorgeous color. Then we have Royal Card, and this is more of a mauve type of a shade. Next shade that I picked up is the Earth Sign. I absolutely love this shade. This is a purple shade. And the last color, and probably my most favorite of everything, so this is the Green Energy, and here it is right here. I swatch it on my wheel, as well as I applied everything on my nails, as you can tell. Yeah, this is how they look, all shades on my fingernails, and also separately swatched in on this testing wheel. So also I have a discount code in my description box that it's listed there. You are going to get 30% off your order, so please go ahead and check all the details. And thank you Madame Glam for giving the opportunity to pick up a few of the shades from their new collection that was launched in January. It's so lovely. This looks like a leather pouch, but I think it's vegan leather. Here is written a Rose Ink, and inside we got a blush. This is the Heliotrope shade, lip and cheek color, reddish type of a color. I didn't use a contour, but I will use it in a minute. I just want to swatch this on my cheek just for you to see. Look at this natural, beautiful color. I'm starting to dig into the cream blushes. What's happening with you, Julia? And also they say you can use it for your lips. And next we have this. Here it is, the clean highlighter in the shade Prismatic. I absolutely love this packaging. Those are full size, guys. I thought they are travel size. They were looking like travel size. And this is the highlighter. Oh, this is the most subtle highlighter, but the pen, the product in pen, it's a bit flimsy comparing with the one from the blush. Alright, this is the highlighter. Not bad. Not bad at all. Maybe it's a tad darker than I will normally use, but it's a lovely product, and it's definitely very creamy. It's a cream highlighter. The last product that it was in this set is this lipstick, satin lip color in the shade Persuasive. So here it is. We have all the shades. Oh my god, you guys, this is so gorgeous. It's similar with the blush, but much more pigmented. So I'm going to set my under eye area, and I will just add a tad of setting powder, not too much because I don't want to cover all these good things. And also I'm going to use this contour wand by Charlotte Tilbury, and I already did my eye makeup using the Pat McGrath Subliminal palette. This video is already up on my channel, and it's a collab with my beautiful friend Ilinka, so I'm going to link it down below in my description box if you want to check it out. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I have like 30 minutes since I have put on the Rose Ink Tinted Serum in the shade 030. I love the way my face looks like, and the only thing that I did, I have added a bit of this bronzer to set my contour, or the liquid contour from Charlotte Tilbury, the one that I showed you that I used. And I decided to wear this lipstick in today's video, and I pair it with the Goss, the Essential Lip Pencil in the shade Cinnamon, so they match perfect together. But yeah, you guys, this is as far as the application of this tinted serum looks like on my skin. I am loving that my skin looks natural, breathable. I look like I have been drinking all my water and taking all my vitamins. So also love the products, the cream products that I have going on my face, and I cannot wait to see what this looks by the end of the day. So I might do a wrap up of the video tomorrow. This is the second day when I'm wearing the Rose Ink Tinted Serum. So yesterday I was checking around 11 p.m. so I had this tinted serum for around 10 hours, and I loved the way it looked by the end of the day. I did not touch up. You know that I'm not doing that when I'm doing my wear test, if I'm not, for example, needed to go somewhere and I need to refresh. But even so, it wasn't required because everything was looking fresh and well put together. And I also could see that I had the blush, it didn't fade. Of course, the lipstick and everything was fading because of all the drinking and eating that was happening throughout the day. But other than that, I think this is a winner. I'm absolutely loving it. I love to have just a hint of color and look fresh for every day. I don't wear a full coverage foundation every single day. I just use that for special occasions or when I'm recording but for day to day, I definitely love using this, and I cannot wait to start using this during spring and summer because I think it will go there even better. But yeah, you guys, this is my review. This is for sure Julia's Bee Beauty approved. I'm going to have it linked in my description box if you want to purchase from Spice NK. They ship worldwide, and I do believe they don't have any restrictions to ship Rose Ink. I know they have some products which cannot ship outside of the UK, but if I could buy it, I think you will also be able to do it. And yeah, I love everything I've tried. I love the lipstick, the highlighter, and the blush. So Rose Ink has definitely made a good first impression on me. So now it's your turn to let me know what do you think about this in your comment sections down below. And also let me know if you have tried this Rose Ink Tinted Serum and if you like it or not. I would really love to hear that from you. And it will be nice also if you will specify what type of skin you have. If you have normal, combination, and so on. So I'm oily combination, as I already mentioned. But yeah, no more talking. Thank you again for taking the time to watch. If you are new to this channel and you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, hit the notification bell and give it a thumbs up, and also follow me on my socials that are always popping up here on the screen. But yeah, guys, I'm also going to put some videos that I recommend you to watch, and I'm going to see you soon with another video. Bye, you guys!